Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well. This is Mike Rick at 113. Just a little tutorial tonight. I just wanted to show you guys on the calculator here. If you decide to make your own dipole for ham radio or 11 meter or MERS or GMRS dipole, halfway dipole, center fed dipole, what little math theorem you need, right? So 468 divided by the frequency you're working on. It doesn't matter what frequency you are trying to work on. Dipoles you would be using mostly like sideband, things like that, or other modes, AM, whatever. But 468, that's the one to remember, divided by the frequency. So here we go. Let's try this. So I already have 468 in and the divided by sign. So let's try 6 meter sideband. 6 meter sideband. All technician ham radio operators can use this. So the calling frequency, let's put it on the calling frequency. So it's 50.125. And then we'll hit the equals button. So 9 feet, 9 1/3 feet. 9 1/3 feet. So say you want to figure out 9 1/3 feet and all these bloody numbers, what the hell that is in inches. So just times that by 12, okay? And then hit equals. So 112 inches, 0.0399, so 304. So that's roughly a little bit more than 3/8, okay? A little bit more than 3/8. Or no, I'm lying. 330 seconds, I'm sorry. So 112 and 330 seconds. So at this point, I would cut a straight wire at, 113. Honestly, I would cut it for 113. But that's going to be the length you need of wire for the whole length. Okay? But you're going to need half of that because you're making a dipole, because a dipole has equal lengths on either side. So you get that number and you divide that by 2, obviously. And then, so each length at for frequency on 6 meter, 50.125, which is the calling frequency, is 56.019. 019 is, 015 would be 1/64th. So still, I would cut them at 57 inches each. And then at that point, you can either, it's easier to make them shorter, the wires on either side, than it is to make them longer, obviously. So always cut a little long, and then you could always cut it back when you're tuning it. Using the tuner, the SWR meter, whether you have a internal one on your radio that you trust, or maybe you have an external meter. So I'm going to clear this out here, and then we're going to do 468 divided by, let's try 38 lower sideband. So that would be 27.385, okay, equals. And as we all know, 17 feet, give or take, is 11 meter, right? So there's that for the full length of channel 38. And then we do times by 12, right? For the inches, equals 205 inches, and what is that? 16th, so a little over a 16th. So yeah, cut it at like 206 each on either side. Actually, no, that would be the full length in inches. I'm sorry. Divide that by 2. There you go. There's your 102 inches, 102 and a half, give or take. So yeah, I would cut that at like 103 or so, and then you could trim it to make it more resonant on that frequency. So I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of that tonight. If you're into making dipoles, you literally can make dipoles out of wire. You get yourself a PL259 bus or whatever, and solder one wire on the center conductor, and then one on the where the near the bolts or whatever, where the bowl hole pattern is, and string it off. hook it up to some coax, and you're good to go. Or you literally can make an antenna out of coax. There's lots of videos out there on that subject. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that, and you know, this isn't a technical channel, but you know, I might as well start showing you guys some things, okay? So remember, 468 for half wave, okay? 468 for half wave is the number divided by the frequency you want to work, okay? So let's try 446.00. That would be FM for the calling frequency of 70 centimeters. So a foot, 0.049. Times that by 12, half wave dipole on 440, 12.5 inches, give or take. So this is Mike Cricket 113. I hope everybody has a good day and a good Memorial Day weekend. 7-3, keep playing with those radios. Take care.